A Leon County judge ruled that Governor DeSantis does not have the authority to ban mask mandates, but the governor is vowing to appeal.
Here in South Florida, reactions are mixed, but many we spoke to say the judge's decision is the right one to keep our children safe. CBS 4's Joel Waldman is live in Fort Lauderdale tonight with more details. Joel?
Lauren and Elliot, good evening to both of you. As you just mentioned, there was a legal tussle brewing in Tallahassee all week long, and then finally today, a ruling was handed down by the judge. The battle over masks in Florida's public schools has come to an abrupt legal end, at least for now, with this ruling from Judge John Cooper in Tallahassee.
An executive order and/or an agency action or an executive action which bans under all circumstances a face mask mandate for school children without a parental opt-out does not meet constitutional muster.
Simply put, the judge ruling the defendants, in this case Governor DeSantis and state education officials, overstepped their authority under Florida's Parents' Bill of Rights. The governor reacting right away, saying, "It's not surprising Judge Cooper would rule against parents' rights in favor of elected politicians. We will immediately appeal the ruling to the First District Court of Appeals, where we are confident we will prevail on the merits of the case." Supporting the governor's position, passionate anti-maskers in Broward, a dad arrested earlier this week outside Fort Lauderdale High School. But breathing a sigh of relief about the ruling, acting Broward County School Superintendent Dr. Vicki Cartwright.
Our students and our families support our school board's decision, and they support wholeheartedly and have a deep understanding of what the conditions are currently in Broward County.
COVID conditions, which currently have about 3,500 students and staff quarantined, with more than 200 students as of Thursday testing positive for the virus and 155 staff members. In Miami-Dade, Francella Guido Chacon, who started a petition with more than 11,000 signatures in favor of school masking, also encouraged by the ruling.
I am relieved and grateful that the judge sided with science and took into account the fact that we're in a health crisis.
And Mom Franzella appears to be in the majority. A Quinnipiac poll released earlier in the week shows that 6 out of 10 parents actually favor masks in schools. We reached out to a bunch of parents who are anti-mask. They did not want to speak on camera. Reporting live from the Broward County School Board, Joel Waldman, CBS 4 News.